Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to Telegram download audio file. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply install the Telegram application and make sure you have updated the latest version of Telegram. So what the method is, in this method, you guys can also download not only the audio, you can also download the photo, video, or any other post on the Telegram. So for that, you have to just simply open up Telegram application on your mobile phone. So after opening up your Telegram application on mobile phone, you have to simply open up the post or audio file or any of the file which you want to download. So here I don't have any audio file, so that's why I'm just selecting this one. So you have to do is you have to just simply open up any of the post or any of the audio which you want to download. So I'm just clicking on it. So after clicking on it, it will pop up like this. So what you have to do is you have to just simply click on the top right of three dots. By just clicking on that, here it will provide you some options. So you guys can save audio in two methods. The first option is you guys can share it to someone which you want to do, or you guys can save it directly to your gallery. So you have to just simply click on the last option, which is fourth option. You have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, it will automatically save to or download it to your phone gallery. So this is the only way to you guys can download audio, video, photo, or any other post on the Telegram. If the post is like textual, then you guys can copy that post, and in this way you guys can download the textual post. But usually in the media section, you guys can download audio, video, and photo from here directly by just clicking on three dots and clicking on save to chat. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.